morning po.
Morning.
Last week. And we're done with the argument.
Risha.
And now I will be for the let's first define what we persuasive good at persuading someone to do or believe something through reasoning or the use of demonstration. And this course is the communication of thoughts by words. By words, the conversation, earnest and intelligent discourse, a formal discussion of a subject in speech or writing, as a dissertation, 3 times sermon, and any unit of connected speech or writing longer than sentence, to communicate thoughts orally, to converse, to treat of a subject formal in speech or writing. In short, reading persuasive discourse is to convince someone by what you are saying. It can be in speech or in writing. For example, isn't it if we are not new by preparing some speech, right?
Yes.
We did it in
Our
our
way.
effective speech, or even in our high school days, right? We made some speech and delivered it. And of course, if we given one topic, for example, calamity or disaster that we experienced last time, right? If we given that topic, it is easier for us to widen that topic. Of course, we are all experienced that, and we can share, or we can say what we had experienced. It can also help us to. We can also make it by delivering speech. As persuasive discourse stated, we can convince our listener by what we are saying. Of course, we must only include true information, and be careful in every word you are delivering. Especially when what you are saying is also, for example, you share your experience and others' experience is too. If we say something, or if we say something wrong about, for example, that experience we had. If you say something wrong, your listener can easily judge you, especially when he or she knows that your saying is not true, or it's just your opinion. Before I end my report, I will leave this short today. Although we experiencing this kind of calamity. It's just a reason for us to do true. For as long as we are in God, nothing could ever stop nor against. That's it.